Chiggy? Hi, Floppycatters! Sorry I wasn't talking because if I talked then he would have stopped. And I wanted to show you that Trigg is definitely the instigator. Chiggy, are you Chiggy, you doing things you're not supposed to be doing? Chiggy, are you back for more? Chiggy! Jeez! Chiggy! My lord, Chiggy. Hi, baby. I'm sorry. Why he attack you? Why he get on you? Because he's hungry? I'm thinking he's hungry. You want to get this? How about you kick this heart's butt so that you don't have to... Hey, you go. You don't want to kick it? I know you usually just sit there and lick it. You're too pissy pants. I'm sorry, sirs. I should have stopped them before. But it was a good video to get. I'm not helping with the irritation. I'm sorry, Bubby. What you?